Hey, what's up guys and welcome to another video. So in this video we're gonna be doing an unboxing of my Borla Resonator. For the sake of this video, it's like my intercooled dual tip boiler exhaust tips. I took out the staples to make this a whole lot easier since I'm gonna be doing this pretty much with one hand. So here's the part number. It's a 2.5-inch resonator. My whole entire exhaust system from the header all the way to the tips is gonna be 2.5 inches. Um, so let's get to this. So this is instructions. It looks like. So you got little boiler decals, one in white, one in black. What's this? So this is the registration for warranty and all that. This is it's instructions depending on what the part you got. Optional accessories depending on how you want it. So in accordance to the resonator, so pretty much this can't be clamped, it's supposed to be welded. But I didn't go with a crate muffler or whatever. I'm going with the intercooled dual tip. Oh, this is a whole lot easier. So that's the resonator. So that's it for this video. Soon I'll be having a final video of my complete custom one-off boiler exhaust for my Yaris. With the bumper and everything, and I'll be doing a cold start, some revving, compare it to the factory exhaust sound, and I will also do a sound comparison video between the quad exhaust I had on my '08 Yaris compared to the boiler, full custom boiler 2.5-inch exhaust. So I'm kind of interested to see how that goes. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one as always. Peace.